Why your resume doesn't get selected and how to overcome this problem. Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to talk about your resume rejection reasons and how to overcome this problem. So let's suppose somewhere is an opening for a job and you are fit for that job and you applied there but didn't receive any response, any email regarding interview. It simply means your resume got rejected or not shortlisted. But why? Guys, nowadays recruiters use ATS system. You know ATS system in application tracking system for shortlisting the candidates which are suitable or fit for that role. And your resume got rejected because that is not ATS friendly. So how to make ATS friendly resume? There are two methods. One is you can put the manually keywords for which the recruiters be looking, like keywords they are looking for, experience and expertise, and the tools for which they are demanding in their job role. Such things you can put manually, or alternatively you can use an AI tool for doing that. I have an AI tool I'm going to tell you, by which you can make your resume in 3 ways, and the name of the tool is Resi, and you will find the link in the description section. So what are the 3 ways you can make your resume? One of them is you can manually make your resume step by step, and you can take the help of AI. I will show you in my screen. First of all, you go to this Resi.ai website and create a free resume. Click here. I have clicked for creating free resume. First you need to sign up. I am using Google to sign up here. Okay, after signing up, this dashboard will appear on your screen. On this dashboard, you got 3 things: resume, cover letter, and resignation letter. Cover letter and resignation letters are in pro mode, but resume is free to use. I am clicking on resume. So here we have 3 things from scratch. We can make our resume from scratch, like putting things manually here, job role, job description, and in this you can take help of this AI as well. Secondly, you can make a simple resume from templates, like you can search for any role, like I am searching for software engineer, and I can select any profile from here, and I will get the templates, and I can edit the templates in many ways I can. Okay, and third thing is from LinkedIn, means you have to download your resume from LinkedIn, which you can download from your LinkedIn profile, and upload that thing here. Your LinkedIn resume you can upload here, and it will make you a professional resume, and you can export 3 resumes from here for free. So use it smartly, and you should know how you can use it multiple times if you know what I'm trying to say. So if this video helped you, please like this video, and if you are new here and haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel and set bell icon at all, so you will get the notifications of all upcoming videos which might help you a lot. Do comment your queries and share this video all with your friends who need a professional resume and a job. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.